how to extract emails from Google Maps. Welcome everyone. Today I'll show you the best software to extract emails from Google Maps. Okay, so now if you want to get this software, all the links will be on the description of this video and on the first comment of this video. Okay, so if you go and get the software from my links, I'll also be sending you some cool bonuses for you guys, and I'll also help you on Skype if you need any further assistance. Okay, so now this is the best email extractor software where you can extract emails by keywords. You can also find businesses from Yellow Pages, Yelp, and you can also extract emails from any website. There are other features like Facebook email extractor, Twitter email extractor. You can extract emails from Instagram profiles, etc. Okay, but in this example, let's go ahead and let's extract emails from Google Maps. Okay, so now you can see out here I've written a keyword car services. Okay, so car services in New York City. Okay, so I want business emails from related to car services. Okay, so I'll just insert my keywords. You can insert one keyword or you can insert many keywords out here. Okay, so you can give the location according to city, according to country, whatever is your need. Okay, so now you want to go with this fast mode, and you can extract company to a separate record. Okay, so you can also use this software as per your need. Okay, so for this example, I'll just leave it as it is. I want email addresses of businesses related to car service in New York City. Okay, so I'll click the start button. Now what will happen after I click this start button is that the software will start searching for email addresses related to car services in New York City. Okay, so now you'll get all the details out here. Okay, so now this software can extract email addresses of your particular niche or business. Okay, so you can it will extract business emails very fast, and this is most reliable thing. Okay, so now once you get the email addresses of businesses related to your niche, for this example car services, you can now promote whatever you want to promote. Okay, so whether you are giving services to that business, or you have a software, you can also promote digital products. You can also promote physical products. Now if you want to get the software, you just have to go to this link and go and get the software. Okay, so if you go to the prices of the software, I want you guys to go and get the ultimate edition of this software. Okay, so the ultimate edition has an email extractor, the email verifier to clean your list, and it also has email sender if you want to send bulk emails. Okay, it will cost you $79 one-time payment, and you'll get lifetime updates. And I highly recommend you guys to go and get this software from PayPal or credit card. Okay, don't use crypto payments. Okay, so it will only delay your process. Okay, just go and pay by PayPal and credit card, and that's really good thing to do. Okay, so now you can also buy only the email extractor if you want, but go with this ultimate edition. You'll also get volume discount where you can buy more than one license. Okay, so these are some comparison out here, the ultimate edition, pro edition, and basic edition. Now if you do not know what to promote, just go ahead to clickbank.com. Okay, so there are lots and lots of offers out here, but the top offers, you just have to click this top offers, and there are a lot of products which you can promote. Okay, remember, you do not have to buy this product. Okay, so you just have to promote this product, and you can get all those products. These are all digital products from clickbank.com. Okay, so and another site, there is another site, Digistore24, where you can also find lots of products. Okay, so which you can promote and make a good commission. Okay, so you can go with any niche. Okay, so whatever niche you want. Suppose you extracted email addresses of restaurants in New York City or some other country. Okay, so once you go and extract those emails, maybe you want to provide services, whether you want to provide a service related to websites. Okay, so for this is just an example. Okay, the sky is the limit. There are a lot of ideas. Just go to email marketing. Okay, so because every business needs leads. Okay, so you can promote this email marketing services or this software, whatever it is. Okay, so let's go to this software, stay connected with you. Now I think this is an autoresponder which you can promote. Okay, you'll get commission of 50%, and the price of this this thing is 7.74. Okay, actually I do not know what this email marketing success is. Okay, stay connected with your target audience, reaching customer in real time, people engage with more emails. Okay, so now this is related to email marketing, and there are a lot of offers out here. Okay, so which pays you a good amount of money. Okay, so these are just a few examples. Okay, you can also find tons and offers out here. Okay, so there are tons and tons of offers. Okay, let's see softwares and services. Okay, so now this is what we want. Okay, win checkup. Okay, so what is this 6-day lead challenge? Okay, so now this offer pays you $30.56. Okay, it's a one-time payment, but per lead you'll make $33. Okay, so you can promote marketing softwares to businesses. You can provide, you can give services, you can also use them. Okay, you can email them again and again, promoting different offers from ClickBank or Digistore 24. Okay, now this software, the beauty of this software is that, okay, you can see there are tons of results out here. Now once you extract these emails, okay, so you also have an email verifier tool which helps you to verify these emails. Okay, so it will remove some of the fake emails, or it will remove all the duplicate emails. Okay, so this software also has an email sender where you can send bulk emails to all these email addresses. Okay, so promoting any offer. Okay, so whether you have a physical, so suppose a car service center. Okay, what they need. Okay, they may need auto parts, they may need there are a lot of things. Okay, they may need let's say a car washer. Okay, so car service provider need a good car washer. Okay, so you can promote washer. Okay, so you do not have to promote only digital products. Okay, you can promote car washer. Okay, so actually I'll just give you one website. Okay, so it's okay, so it's called the Tick Sale, and you can find all physical products. Okay, you can find physical products related to any niche. Okay, so you can also go and look for the top offers, where you can just go and which are the top offers to promote. Okay, so all the physical products you can get it for cheap and sell it at your price. Okay, so this cost you $47 per month, but right now I think they are giving away this software for one-time payment of $127, but I'm not sure. I already got this software. Okay, yeah, it just loaded. Okay, so now if you just pay $127, which I highly recommend that you do, you just have to go and pay $127, and you do not have to worry about anything again. Okay, so never pay monthly fees. So if you want to pay monthly to test the software, you can do that, but if you just pay $127, you'll get a lot of stuffs out here. Okay, so this software is also very, very good. All the links I'll put on the description of this video. You can generate content, you can generate image. Okay, so you can go and spy on sponsored ads, you can find winning ads on TikTok. Okay, you can also find products that are doing very, very good out here. Okay, so keyword research for Etsy, keyword research compare, all this is for Etsy. Okay, so for drop shipping, let's see, you can go and find winning products. Okay, so there are a lot of stuffs. Let's go to automobiles and motorcycle. Okay, so and let's see, okay, 2-in-1 emergency triangular road warning sign. Okay, so you can just go and find out all the products that are doing great. Okay, that you can go and promote. You'll also get access to the vendors. Okay, so you can see out here everything. Okay, so the selling price is 35.90 and the product cost is just 14.43. Okay, so that means you are making more than 50% earning from promoting this product. Okay, so profit margin, you can see you are earning $21.47 per sale. Okay, so all this, everything is there. Okay, so the profits, net profits, the analytics, the source, AliExpress, orders, votes. Okay, so now these are some of the analytics which they get. Okay, so now if you go to these things like AliExpress, Alibaba, you know where to buy them, and when selling it, you can sell for a good price. Okay, buy low, sell high. Okay, and remember, all the targetings, all the analytics is given. Okay, so this product is sold mostly on United States, interest, cars.com, driving, vehicles, gender, men, age group 21 to 65, and audience size 5.1 million. Okay, so now this tool is very, very interesting tool, and you can just copy paste these results. Okay, so you can find TikTok trending, Pinterest trending, and remember, they are online 24 hours. Okay, so you can just go and talk to the live support team. customer service if you need any help. Okay, so I'll just close this. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is the best software which you can ever get for your marketing needs. Okay, so you just have to copy paste. You can also write your own emails, or you can just copy paste emails. Okay, from, let's go to clickbank.com. Okay, so if you go to this affiliate page, okay, so let's go to e-business and e-marketing first. I want to see which is the top offer right now. Okay, live chat jobs. Okay, so if you go to affiliate page, you can find all the email swipes. Okay, so if you can find all the email swipes that you can use to send emails. Okay, so these are some high converting email swipes. Okay, so there are a lot of email swipes out there. Okay, I'll just show you one. So click this plus sign out here, and you'll be able to just copy the subject, copy the pre-header, copy the body, and you can promote any offer. Okay, so if you want to promote this offer, make sure you go and create an account on clickbank.com and digistore24.com. okay, so this is it, guys. This is the best way to extract emails from Google Maps. This software works lovely. Okay, so if you want to get the software, go to the link on the description, or go to the first pinned comment on my video. Okay, on the comment section. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. And before you go, since you are watching this video till the end, I will throwing you some awesome bonuses. Okay, so if you want to get this software, I'll send you my own personal email swipes. I have around 3,000 email swipes that I use to automate everything. Okay, so I automate this system so that I can make money. Okay, so I'll give you that same email swipes which you can use, which you can just insert it on your autoresponder, and you can just email your email list every single day promoting MMO niche. Okay, make money online niche. Everyone is interested in MMO, making money online, so that will be the best. It will be your best investment. Okay, so go and get this software. And if you want to extract email address of businesses from Google Maps. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. And before you go, the link A1 email extractor. If you go to A1 email extractor, you'll see a link where you can start a business in $9. Okay, with just $9 you can start a business, and you can copy a 6-figure or 7-figure income system. Okay, so you just have to copy it, you just have to follow the instruction, and you can earn the same money. Okay, so that's it, guys. There are a lot of stuffs, there are a lot of ways to make money. I keep posting videos, and I give tips, new tips to my students, to beginners or advanced user. It doesn't matter. All we have to do is we have to make money. Okay, so let's do it. Please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, bye bye.